Ladies and gentlemen and game designers, we're going to work on getting Unity at home. So let's click, we're in Canvas, we're going to click on the assignment, and we're going to click on the assignment. All right, so you need to install Unity Hub first. We all have to use the newest version. So I want everybody to install the newest version of Unity, and we're going to stick with this all year long. If you try to upgrade after we get started, it messes up code. It just doesn't work very well. So we're going to go ahead and get started by installing Unity Hub. So we're going to click on this thing right there, and it's going to download that. You're going to click on this, and you're going to show it in the folder, and you're going to click right there on the Unity Hub installer. And so you're going to say, yeah, we want you to be able to do this, and then we're going to agree, and we're going to install it in the default location. Should be fine like that. And let's let that do its thing. And we're going to run Unity Hub. We're going to hit finish. And then when this pops up, we're going to allow access. And if we click on this down here at the bottom, we have to activate the license. So click manual activation. And so we have to save this license request. So we're going to click on this thing, and we're going to go to documents, and we're going to make a new folder called game design. And we're going to open that, and we're going to save this folder just like or this file just like this, Unity license. We're going to save it, and then now go to the manual activation page. So we click on this, and we're going to go to our drive. Make sure that you're logged in with your school Gmail. Okay, so we want to be logged in with your school Gmail. And now we're going to browse for that file we just looked at. So we're going to click browse, and we're going to go to the documents. We're going to go to game design, and there it is. And then next. Okay, so we don't want Plus or Pro. This is a personal edition. So we're going to say I don't use Unity for professional manner at all. If you're going to eventually make money using Unity, you're going to have to actually pay for it, not use the free version.
Hey, Mom, I need your help. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got this thing downloaded here. So now we're supposed to go back to the Unity installation. So right now we're in Chrome browser. So we click here, and we already saved that thing, hit next. And so we're going to try to load the license file. And so I think it's in downloads. Let's go to, where do I save it? Downloads. Yeah, there it is. There's the thing. So I click open, and then I hit confirm. And so there's nothing we can click here, so we have to try to figure out what's happening. And we've got this flag down here, so we need to, it says you need to be logged in. So I'm going to log in. And so I'm going to type in that, and I'm going to hit sign in. And okay, so now that I've signed in there, we can check for updates. All right, so now that the updates have been gone over, we can activate the new license. So Unity Personal.
You can put them in the basement.
And then we hit done. And I got a little, just disappeared, a little notice down here that said it was activated. Let's see if we can actually use Unity now. Okay, so in that same window that I was just at, I hit pause, but I hit the back button. So now what I want you to do is click on installs, and I want you to add, the newest version of Unity. Hit next, and hit next, and